What's up everyone, this is Wayne here. Today we'll do another update video on the Bissell powerforce helix turbo pet again. So you see this thing that I used once again, and you can see how much it's better this thing exactly, which is you see because you can see how much it's better this thing exactly, which is that's what looks like playing my opinion, but you see how much it's better this machine exactly, which I do like this thing when you see this is the 3232 Series 2024. It is a AM motor because you see how much it's better you see because you see now most of the time if I touch the engine the motor you see it touch it was warm you see but most of the time you know how much weight it's better on this machine exactly which is definitely not that bad in my opinion but it will get used again in this weekend again. I know that because you see how much better this machine's been used almost like every single time this machine exactly which is definitely what it is like on this machine and I do like this thing a lot but you see how much it's better this thing exactly which is definitely looks pretty much what expected this machine exactly, which is definitely a little bit looks like playing my opinion. And I do like this machine a lot because you see how much expected time this machine's been used almost like quite a bit of times, but you see how much expected this thing exactly, which it's not how it weighs exactly on this machine exactly, which is definitely a little time playing nice my opinion. So this thing will get used again on a weekend. And I know that because you see how much expected this thing exactly, you see because how expected this thing exactly. But most of the time this thing does not get used this often, you see, because you see how much expected this thing exactly. Which I know since how much expected this machine is gonna get used almost like quite a bit. And I do like the same one because you see how much better this thing is. Just like looks like playing 920 piano. And if I ever really use the total brush, I'm not saying probably not exactly, which it's like how much I expected this machine exactly, which is definitely what it is like in this machine exactly, which it's like how much I expected this machine exactly, but I mean think about it guys. I mean you can see how this machine is gonna get used almost like the whole weekend you can see, but most of the time this thing does not get used as often. But you see how much I expected this thing, but this thing will get used again in another weekend.